So Wing Wars is soon.
I know, it's just crazy. We gotta find a bird to cook so we have some wings to eat.
Where are we gonna find one?
I don't know. I've seen one around the office a couple times.
Really?
Maybe we could catch it.
Okay. We gotta try to do that today.
Let's do it.
Hey, have you seen the bird run through here?
I think you went that way.
That way?
Yeah, that way.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey Jill, have you seen the bird anywhere?
No, I haven't. I haven't seen anything come by. What kind of bird is it?
Just like a big eagle.
No, I don't think I would miss that. I think I would have noticed.
All right.
I haven't seen it.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey Joe, have you seen the bird?
No, I haven't seen him anywhere.
There he is.
Francesca, there he goes!
I can't believe we still haven't found that bird. Okay, everyone's saying he's in the garage. Let's see if we found him. We got him. Come out to the Hudson Valley Wing Wars competition next Saturday, February 21st from 5 to 9 p.m. at the Mid-Hudson Civic Center.
There will be sample wings from all the best pubs and restaurants in the Hudson Valley, along with cornhole, live music, and lots of beer.